Here's your League News Wrap-Up for the week of May 26. I'm Laurie Okawa, League Communications Officer. From Monday's Knowledge Source newsletter, your League's Operation Compliance Seminar is set for August 20 and 21, online via Zoom. Join industry experts Deborah Crawford and Leslie Nicely and take a deep dive into the alphabet soup of operations compliance. From On-Course Learning, this webinar helps you understand your regulatory responsibilities and liabilities, review the areas of highest risk to you and your credit union, and discuss which information and reports you need to review periodically to make informed compliance program decisions. The last couple of years have seen many borrowers default on their mortgage loans. The loss mitigation and foreclosure process is by its nature state-specific, but there are federal requirements as well. This webinar helps you understand what you can and cannot do. As the ISO, part of your responsibility is building and maintaining the Information Security Program. There are 3 ISP fundamental components: risk assessments, ISP policies and procedures, and audits. This webinar shows you how risk assessments help you make decisions. In this interim final rule, FinCEN revises the definition of reporting company in its implementation regulations. During this webinar, learn what you need to know and do for BSA requirements, what stays and what goes for your credit union. From Credit Union Webinar Network. After attending this webinar, you will be able to clarify your vision, mission, and core values, understand the importance of a well-defined strategic plan structure, and identify key components common to successful strategy. Everything a credit union does to serve its members involves some kind of risk, whether it's collecting loans, investing excess funds, or providing electronic services. Learn to identify these risks and how it may be impacting your credit union. From Tuesday's Big Idea newsletter, Succession Planning and the Importance of Targeted Plans, presented by TruStage Executive Benefit Solutions, is now available on demand. Join the credit union industry's most forward-thinking minds in Nashville for 3 days of insights, strategies, and bold ideas that move lending forward. Determining the scope of a loan review is the foundation of an effective loan review process. No matter how skilled your analysts are, if you aren't looking at the right data, you are not adding value. You may just be restating the obvious. Veracast presents critical questions for your credit union to consider when assessing whether your current loan marketing strategies are effectively aligned with today's dynamic and competitive marketplace. CUSG offers HR solutions to help your credit union streamline performance management, ensure competitive compensation, and empower employee development. TruStage's mission-driven and innovative spirit has not only sustained it through decades of change, but also laid the foundation for long-term success. Now protecting more than 39 million people, TruStage celebrates its progress and looks ahead with the same values that have carried it through nearly a century. From Thursday's Conversation newsletter, Hawaii Community FCU appointed Tyson Klask as its new Vice President of Operations. Tyson joined the credit union's Ohana in 2017 and most recently served as Hilo Branch Manager, where he led the successful opening and growth of the credit union's first East Hawaii branch. This quarter's Trend Watch focused on industry performance in 4 key areas: members managing credit, evolving member behavior, earnings, and liquidity. Want to see how your credit union stacks up against peers? Schedule a free performance analysis session and get a copy of the report to keep. Hawaii State FCU celebrated the grand reopening of its Kaimuki branch following a 4-month renovation to enhance the member experience and operational efficiency. This renovation reflects an ongoing commitment to providing members with the tools and spaces they need to manage their finances with confidence. Leadership isn't just about vision and strategy. It's about doing the work within so we can show up for our teams and communities in a real grounded way. That's a topic that feels especially timely as we all navigate complexity and change. And that's a wrap on this week's League News. Check your inboxes for our weekly newsletters. If you missed an issue, go to our website, click on Publications, and view the video and newsletter archive. And remember, June 1st is the start of hurricane season. It's also Laurie's birthday. Coincidence? I think not.